Hello everyone. These 12 Excel functions will make your life easier in 2024. Okay, these will help you to make your life easier. We will just boost your productivity in MS Excel. So let's explain them one by one. First of all, I will just tell you the name of the functions: index and match, combination of them. Then choose, F, HLOOKUP, VLOOKUP, COUNTF, average F, SUMF, substitute, concatenate, rank, and left. We will explain you these 12 functions. So let's get started. The first one is index and match. Okay, the combination of these two. Let's, for example, here we want the result for example, John Smith. Okay, we want the result for Sammy or Mitchell Brown. Okay, we want the result for that. We will use index and match. The index is used to return the value, okay, based on row number and column number, but the match is used to return the position. Okay, so I will teach you. For example, we want that. Okay, if for example you have thousands and hundreds records. Okay, don't look just we have a few records, we can see that. Okay, but the functions are used in a large data. Equal to, and here I will write index. First of all, okay, index tab, open that. First of all, select the array. We will select our table. After selecting that, row number. Okay, so for the row number, what we will do, for the row number we will use match function to find the row number for Mitchell Brown. Okay, in which row number it existed. Let's use match. We want the row number for Mitchell Brown. Okay, Mitchell Brown, we will select this value. Okay, or we can write the name in here and another cell. Okay, but I have selected that right now in the table, comma, or you can directly write the name in the string. Okay, so after comma, lookup array. Okay, we want to look up in this name table. Okay, in this name table. So after that, what we will do, comma, 1 for less than exact match, 0 for exact match, close it. After that, we need column number. Okay, for the column number we want to find the result. So for that, again we will use match function. For the column, open that, lookup value, we want to find this result. Okay, the result column, comma, or we can write result on the right or left side. Okay, we can select that cell, or we can directly write the result here. So after that, the result lookup array. Okay, so we will select now this header that is existed in this array. Okay, comma, then 0 for exact match, close it and close the index, press enter. So this is the result for Mitchell Brown. Okay, that we have found. Got it? If you would like to, you can randomly write a number. Okay, as I told you, if you select a cell on the right or left side, so you can randomly, by changing the name, you can find for other names also. So this was the usage of match and index function. Now let's move to use the choose function. The choose function is used to return the value. So let's, for example, I will just show to you where I will just teach you the choose. For example, okay, here I want to find the position for Mitchell Brown again. Okay, we want in which position this Mitchell Brown is existed. We want the position. Okay, you have a lot of records and you want to find the position for that. Okay, for example, we have these are the students and this is the marks for them. We want to find the position of Mitchell Brown. For example, we have 100 record, you randomly select one of them and you want to find the position of that student. So for that we will use choose, equal to choose function. After that, index number. For example, the choose function is used to return you based on the position, a value based on the position. For example, I'm just writing on 4th position. Which value is there on 4th position or on 100th position or 1 in 50th position? Okay, just write the position, comma, then select your values. Okay, comma, this one, comma, this one, comma, this one, comma, this one. Okay, I told them on 4th position which value is existed. Press enter. On 4th position we have John Smith. Okay, for 2nd, 3rd and 4th, and the 4th again we have John Smith. If we change the position, for example, on 3rd, Mitchell Brown. Okay, so this was the usage of choose function. Now F function. F function is used for the comparison, logical. Okay, for logically testing some things for true and false. I have already applied that. I will show you. For example, here, these are the students with us and this is the math, chemistry and biology marks for them. And this is the average for the students. I used a F formula here. Okay, in these rows. Okay, for example, in the first one, I told them if I use that here. Look at the formula bar. If average, okay, this average was H5. If H5, this average was greater than 70, so right here pass, otherwise fail. Okay, so after applying that, it showed us, I will just show to you. Okay, let's clear everything. I will write equal to, oh sorry, just come here, equal to if average was greater than 70, so then write to me pass, comma, else fail. Close it and press enter. See, that has failed. Just drag it down, it will fill other cells for you also. This is the usage of if, okay, for the comparison, for logical testing. Now let's use the H lookup, okay, horizontally to look for a value. The H lookup is used to look for a value based on row. On row, you can find a value horizontally. So for example, in this data, we want to look, okay, we want to look for the grade of, for example, a third number student. Okay, for the Mitchell Brown, we want to look for the grade of that. Okay, let's check it. Is equal to H lookup. First of all, you should select lookup value. What we want, okay, we want to find the grade. Okay, so we will select the grade. So after selecting that, comma, table array, then we will select the table array. Okay, so after selecting it, comma, then we should select a row or index number. So sorry, here first, second, third, and fourth. I will select right here fourth. Okay, 4. But instead of this, I will select here this cell. Okay, for example, this cell. I will select this cell because I would like to just randomly enter an ID. I will find the grade for that student. Okay, so just come here. Okay, after selecting the row number, then comma 0 per exact match. Okay, so close it and press enter. Now I will write here, for example, I want the grade for fourth number student. Okay, press enter. See, the grade for that is 9. For example, for sixth number, okay, 6, enter. See, 11, for that is 11. If you want to find attendance, then just select the fifth number row. If you want age, third number row. If you want name, second number row. If you want ID, first number. Okay, so it is how we can use HLOOKUP value. Now let's use the VLOOKUP. Okay, VLOOKUP to vertically look up for a value. For example, we want the result for a student. Okay, so for that, let's use VLOOKUP equal to VLOOKUP. We would like to search based on name. Okay, I will write name here, then I will search based on this name. Okay, I will select this cell, comma, lookup value, then table array, I will select the table, comma, column index number. I want to find the result. So that is in first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh column. That is seventh column. I will select 7, comma, 0 exact number. Okay, and close that and press enter. So here I will write now, for example, Johan Smith. Press enter. I'm really sorry what happened. Johan Smith. The name is okay. So the problem is that we have to search in VLOOKUP based on the first column. Okay, and this first column. So let's write it. Okay, equal to VLOOKUP tab, open lookup value, for example, this one, comma, then our array. So we will select this data. After that, comma, index number, that is 7. Okay, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh column. We want the result, comma, 0. Press enter. So now here I will insert, for example, the ID number 1. Okay, write 1. See, the first one is fail. Let's write, for example, 5. Enter. See, that is 5. Pass. Okay, the 5th number student is pass. That is how we can use the VLOOKUP function. So now let's use the count app. Okay, the count app is used to count as the cells based on a criteria. For example, we want to find the count. Okay, the count of computers, how many times we have the cell for computer. Okay, so let's do it. Is equal to count app tab. Okay, range, we will select this range, comma, criteria, we want to select the computer. Okay, this one, close it, press enter. So 3 times we have repeated the computer 3 times. Cells we have for the computer 3 times. Now let's use the average app. Okay, it is used to find average, is used to find the average, but the average if is used to find average based on a criteria, based on a condition. For example, just come here. We want to find the average for the central area. Okay, for the central area, how many the average of the sales for central area. Okay, just central. Or you want to find the sales average for east, for west, for north, for whatever you want. Okay, based on a criteria. So let's do is equal to average app. Okay, press tab, open that range. Okay, this is our range, comma criteria. We want to find the average for central. Then comma, then we want the average range. Okay, we want to find the average range in this area. Close it, press enter. So the average for central is 5,000, 4,000, 9,000, and 4,005 is 500 is the average for central area. But if you want to change it, for example, we want for uh, east area. Okay, for S, select S, press enter. For east area, the average is 300 because we have just once. Yeah, we have 2 times 300, which is the average is 300. Okay, so that's how we can use the average F. Now let's use the sum F. Okay, the sum F is used to find the sum based on a condition. For example, we want to find the sum of sales per computer or for table. Okay, we want to find the sum of sales per mouse. Okay, for mouse. So let's do it. Is equal to sum F, press tab, then range. Okay, we want to select this one, this range, the products, comma, our criteria is mouse. We want to find the sum of mouse, comma, then sum range. We want to find the sum in this area. Close it, press enter. So the sum per mouse is 3,400. Okay, this is the average, the sum of mouse. Now let's use substitute. Substitute is used to change the text. Okay, for example, sometimes you want to send a bulk of messages, okay, at the same time, or there is a large number of texts you want to send to multiple people, so we will use the substitute at that time. For example, here we have a text that is a best boy. For example, I have just showed you and I will show you an example, and we want to substitute it. Instead of this, we would like to write, let's use it, equal to substitute. Okay, substitute, then the text, we want to select the text. Okay, the text, okay, this one, comma, we want our old text. Okay, our old text, which we want to replace, we want to replace a. Okay, a, replace on, for example, the. Yep, close it and press enter. See, we have replaced that. That is the best boy. We have replaced a. We have replaced this a also. Okay, but sometimes in this it happen. Okay, but we want just for example, if we write like this, what will happen? Okay, press enter. That is the best boy. Okay, that we have corrected that. Okay, so that is the best boy. Now let's move to use the concatenate. Concatenate is used to just join two texts. For example, first name and last name. Okay, John Smith. For example, we have these two names. We want to concatenate them. Concatenate. Concatenate. First one, comma, second one. Close it and press enter. You can add also a space between them. Now let's use the rank. Okay, the important function rank. Rank is used to just rank. For example, you want to find the rank for students. Okay, just come here. We have these students. You want to find the rank. Okay, which one is the first, which one is the second, which one is the third. Okay, so for that we will use the rank. Let's first of all, I will write here rank, and here I will use the rank method. We can use rank average or rank equi, but rank is in the future it will not work maybe. Okay, but right now I will use it. Okay, just for the purpose to show to you. Okay, number, for example, this number, comma, then select this area, comma, then ascending or descending. Okay, for example, ascending, we will select 1. Close it and press enter. So this is the fourth number, student. Let's drag it. Okay, 60. These three has the same average. Okay, I will just make it descending. Okay, ascending, so change it to the 0, press enter. Now let's drag it. So 60.33, 60.33, 60.33, and these are all. What happened to this? The average. This should be the first, yeah. But why this one? This should not be the first one. Oh, sorry, yeah. We should make it absolute. Okay, the path should be absolute. Okay, just come here, and this should be absolute. Make it. Let's press F4 here, and also we should make this absolute. Press F4 and press enter now. Okay, because that was a relative path. Now let's drag it down. See, this is the first one, 83, and the second one, 80, the third one, 77, the fourth one, 62. This is the rank function that we have used. Left is used to extract the text from the start of a text. For example, we want to extract text from this, okay, John Smith, or for this one, okay, let's use it, is equal to left text. For example, for Emily Johnson, we want to extract the first 5 character. See, just Emily we have extracted from that. So it was 12 function that you should know in 2024. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.